In this video, we'll see one more way of deriving a quadratic formula or Sridharacharya's rule. I have my quadratic equation written in its general form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So now let's start solving it to get the roots of the quadratic equation, this general quadratic equation, taking c on the other side. Now my aim is to get this LHS in the form of a plus b to the whole square or a minus b to the whole square. Since this is my 2ab term, this x term will be the 2ab term and this is positive. So definitely it will not be in the form of a minus b to the whole square. So it will definitely be in the form of a plus b to the whole square. So a plus b to the whole square we know is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this we'll see as a square. So I can write this as root a x to the whole square. I want this term to be as 2ab term. So to write this as 2ab term, my 2, the constant, a will be definitely root ax. Then what should be my b over here so that it gives me bx? So I must multiply by b to get bx. X is already here. What I don't have in this term is 2 root a. What do I don't have here? 2 root a. So I'll divide by 2 root a. So 2 cancels out, root a cancels out, it is bx. So we rewrite this term in form of 2ab. So I identify this as a square, this as 2a, and this as b. This whole term is as a, this whole term is as b. So I identified my b over here, so we write plus b square, and my b is now small letter b 2 root a whole square. Adding on LHS, we do same on the RHS, plus b 2 root a whole squared. So this become now plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, formula for a plus b to the whole square. So my a is root ax, my b is b 2 root a whole squared. And this becomes writing b square over 4a, writing this term and writing minus c. Taking the square root over here, taking square root on both sides. The square and the root goes off, so left with root ax plus b 2 root a equals to, taking the root of a positive number, it's plus minus root of b square, and let's take the LCM, 4ac whole over 4a. Further, since I'm solving x, taking this constant term on the other side becomes root ax equals, this will become minus b 2 root a plus minus root of b square minus 4ac, and this denominator will become now 2 root a. Both are 2 root a, like terms, so we simply operate on the numerator. Root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2 root a. This is root ax. So what's my x? Root a comes down here, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So finally, we derive the quadratic formula as x equals minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Hence proved. That's all for this. We have derived the quadratic formula. Thank you.